With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, starting question. Question says KMNO4 is acidified for redox titration by options given are HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, any of these. Redox titration is the laboratory method of determining concentration of a given analyte by causing redox reaction between titrant and analyte. Its method to determine concentration of analyte by titrating it against by causing redox reaction between titrant and analyte. For determining strength of KMNO4 potassium permanganate by using standard oxalic acid that is H2C2O4 into 2 times H2O. In this redox titration, KMNO4 is our titrant and oxalic acid is our analyte. This titration, it takes place in an acidic medium. And this acidic medium is created by sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. H2SO4, by creating acidic medium, it increases oxidation power of KMNO4. It increases acidic content of solution and prevents MnO4, which is purple in color, to get reduced to MnO2, which is dark brown in color. Hence, we use H2SO4 as acidic medium here. The overall reaction taking place during the titration is as follows. KMNO4, that's potassium permanganate, plus sulfuric acid, H2SO4 plus oxalic acid, H2C2O4 into 2 times H2O, giving K2SO4, that is potassium sulfate plus MnSO4 plus H2O plus CO2, balancing this 2 here, 3 here, 5 here, 2 here, 18 here, 10 here. Hence, correct option for the given question is it's option C, H2SO4. If HCl will be used, then it will oxidize the chlorine and make the end product much higher. So correct option is option C, H2SO4. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.